Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PostFinance Ltd how to cancel subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel a standing order, schedule recurring payments in the PostFinance app, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your PostFinance application and be sure to be logged into your account using your username or e-finance number, then your password, and then simply tap on login. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the payments option on the bottom, and then once you're inside the payments, what you need to do is select standing order. Then select the standing order you want to stop, then tap on delete or cancel the order. In e-finance, which is online banking, log into e-finance, go to the payments, then select standing orders and find the standing order, and then tap on cancel or revoke it. Standing orders can be changed or revoked at any time in the app or e-finance. Now in order to cancel a direct debit authorization, if the subscription is paid by direct debit, then option 1 is contact the biller. Inform the company billing you that you want to stop the direct debit. They typically will stop for future debits once they receive cancellation. Next option is ask PostFinance to cancel direct debit. You or the biller can send a written instruction to the PostFinance Operations Center asking them to cancel the direct debit mandate. You will need to provide your IBAN number, debit amount or approximate accounts, name and address of the company, and send to PostFinance Ltd, Scan Center 3002 Burn as per CH/DD procedure. You can also restrict direct debits entirely or per vendor by request. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.